The procedure presented in this video requires you to work inside the machine where hazardous voltages are present. Do not attempt to perform this procedure if you are not fully qualified to do so. Please follow all safety procedures as mandated by all relevant authorities. In this video we will be permanently replacing the single-use batteries that provide power to the SRAM on a CNC lathe. SRAM is a type of memory that stores critical CNC data such as work coordinates, part programs and parameters. SRAM is volatile and needs a constant source of power in order to retain the stored information. The device in this video replaces the current single-use batteries with a source that continuously provides that power through a set of rechargeable batteries. The batteries charge themselves when the machine is on and discharge when the machine is off. This means that you no longer need to periodically change the SRAM batteries in your machine or risk losing critical data due to dead single-use batteries. Before we begin, it is important to back up your machine. While there is little risk of losing data during this procedure, a backup will ensure that you will be able to recover if anything goes wrong. Please consult your manual for information on the proper backup procedure for your machine. Let's get started. The replacement kit comes with the board, batteries, one power input cable and one or more power output cables. Depending on which kit you order, one or more of these cables may already be attached to the board. First, screw the ferruled end of the power input cable into the power input screw terminals. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Now, turn off the machine and take all relevant safety steps for working in the cabinet. Clean an area in the cabinet large enough for the device. Then, peel the backing paper from the device and place it in the clean area. Locate the 24-volt DC power supply and screw the power input cable into the power supply's DC terminals. Again, connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Now, power on the machine and wait until it gets to the home screen. Then, check that the device is functioning correctly before connecting the power output cable to the battery connector. Make sure that the red alert LED on the device is off and the device is not continuously beeping. With the machine on, disconnect the single-use battery from the machine and then connect the power output cable from the device in its place. When you disconnect the battery, the BAT alarm will appear on the screen. After you have connected the device, press the reset button to make sure this alarm clears. And that's it. Installation is now complete. Please visit our website to order battery replacement kits, and for more information.